How to set up buttons with System IO. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add buttons to your website, funnel, blog, whatever it may be within your System IO. It is going to be very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So you can just go ahead and use it with any sort of page that you want to edit. So it doesn't really matter here. I'm just going to go to funnels and I'm just going to use this one as an example, but it's going to work the same way if you have a blog with System.io or whatever it may be. So just go ahead and find the page that you want to add a button to. I'm just going to use this as an example. So I'm just going to click on edit page here. Now from the edit page, you will be able to just would like to continue? No. Okay. So here from with the editor, I mean, you can just go ahead and add all the elements that you need. But we can just also add a button real easy. So let's just say we wanted to add it over here or somewhere. We will go to the elements tab on the left panel here. And from here, you can just go ahead and add text and so on. But we want to scroll down until we find within the form section the button. So you want to just basically drag and drop it wherever you want. So let's just I think this is going to be a good place for it. So an empty space here, so we can just go ahead and drag and drop it over here, and we have ourselves a button. Now to actually adjust the contents of the button, you would need to actually click on it. And then from here, we will be able to adjust a few things here. So action when button clicked is going to either submit a form, open URL, which is going to be the one that we are going to set up, but you can make it submit form, show pop-up, next step URL, download file, and so on. I'm just going to leave it as open URL. If this is the option that you want to go for, you will need to obviously insert the URL this button is going to take to. So I'm just going to add google.com for the sake of this example. And now you have the option whether it's going to open in the same window or open in a new window. This is completely up to you. And then you can also change a few things like the alignment button width. So it's going to either be fluid or full width. You also can adjust more stuff like the margin and so on. In here, we can change what the text says within the button, so we can just go ahead and change it. Sorry about that. Let's just add the A over here, and we can also change the font. Okay, can I spell? There you go. Change. So change. There you go. So font size, line height, and so on. We can also do so. And the subtext we can also change, so let's just spell change correctly this time. And also we can just go ahead and adjust more stuff like the background color and so on. So all of these things we can just go ahead and play around with. There are a lot of settings to go through, but pretty much you have the basics done. So this is pretty much how to set up your buttons with System.io. Again, just go to elements, find the button option here, drag and drop, and just go ahead and click on it and change whatever you want to change here. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.